The arrival of TPS-10 brings some subtle but significant upgrades to virtual golf. Let's take a closer look at a few features you don't want to miss. The new lie indicator shows how your ball is positioned on the ground. The view in the circle is a down-the-line close-up of the ball. On this shot, the first number shows the ball is 6 degrees above your feet, which tends to promote a draw for a right-handed player. The second number shows the ball is on a 3-degree upslope, which also favors a draw. So be sure to adjust your aim and shot shape accordingly. Closer to the hole, you'll find a new green reading system that can help you hole more putts. Tap the double arrows here to enlarge the mini-map, which uses colors to show the contours of the green. Blue means low, and red means high. Now, press the drone icon, then the green icon to see a flyover view of the green. Notice the contour lines. Narrower spacing indicates faster areas, wider spacing indicates slower areas, and broken lines indicate where the green is flat. These rolling dots represent speed and break, offering a more intuitive way to visualize your path to the hole. When using aimed putting, these lines indicate your options, high and slow or low and fast. Your target line is right in the middle. Check the green indicator here to see the exact up or down slope, and when you're ready, let it roll. When you start a round in Virtual Golf 3, you can use new settings to adjust the playing conditions to your liking. Find your options here, under Environment Settings. Now you can set the time of day, the level of fog on the course, and the volume of clouds in the sky. The passage of time, indicated by the movement of shadows across the landscape, is accelerated to match the faster pace of the indoor game. Be careful not to let the beauty of the changing light and naturally evolving cloud formations distract you from your next shot. Play a better game. Tee it up today at a TrackMan simulator near you.